adding to the front of my Mustang, I'm adding the Cobra chin splitter. I got this from Late Model Restoration. It was only $163.99, and installation should really be a breeze. I think the hardest part of this whole job is just going to be jacking it up. I was skeptical because this thing came folded up in a tiny little box, but it actually folded out nicely. It comes with 8 small retainers and 5 large ones, and I think I kind of mixed them up. I got a little confused, but they go under the vehicle, right under the bumper, and there are these little clips that slide into where the bumper ends, so it's a neat little setup, really easy. The little retainers are kind of like rivets, but they are screws. So you pop them in and then you screw them in. They're a little bit more difficult than usual, but they seem to hold really snug, which is good. But the whole install took maybe an hour at the most. I think it looks so good. Best $163 I've spent all month.
Fuck you if you don't like me. I'ma do what I want, yeah, I hope you see. I don't give one fuck what you think about me, 'cause the haters keep on hating anyway.
Come back for some more progress. Thanks for watching. Bye.